Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. We will continue with the football and today we are going to cover terminologies. Number one is throw in. It is given to the opponent if the ball passes over the sideline, on ground or in air. This is taken by the player from the sideline. Player throw the ball over the head to give the pass to his player. Both the feet are in contact with the ground, otherwise foul will be there. Offside. A player is in offside position if he is nearer to his opponent's goal line than both the ball and the second last opponent. A player is not an offside position if he is in on half of the field of the play. He is level with the second last opponent. He is level with the last two opponents. The offside is also considered as a defensive tactics. Next is corner kick. It is also known as flag kick. Corner kick is awarded when a defender put the ball out of the play behind his team's goal line. Free kick. It is given when the referee shows the warning card to the player. In this, foul has been committed outside the penalty area, like intentional delay, intentional hit to the player, intentionally handling the ball, charging, dangerous play, holding opponent from the behind, violent kick, kicking the opponent. While taking direct kick, the opposition player should be at least 10 yards away from the ball. Goal can be scored from the direct kick. Indirect free kick. An indirect free kick is awarded to the player if the goalkeeper commits any of following offense inside his own penalty area, like takes more than 4 steps while controlling the ball with his hands before releasing it from his possession, touch the ball again with his hand after it has been released from his possession without touching another player, touch the ball with his hand after it has been deliberately kicked to him by a teammate, touch the ball with his hand after he has received it directly from a throw-in by a teammate. Next we have penalty kick. A penalty kick is awarded when foul is committed by defenders in the penalty area. The ball is placed on the penalty spot and the attacking player tries to kick it directly into the goal and the goalkeeper only defend it. Next we have drop ball. In the case of struggle for the possession, when both the players commit simultaneously foul, in this case the referee stop the game for some time and afterward drop the common ball to get the possession of the ball. Ball out of play. The ball leaves the field by entirely crossing the goal line or touch line. A player is seriously injured or ball becomes defected. In this condition, ball is out of play. Ball replacement procedure. Procedure may be adopted if the ball is damaged or become defected during the course of play. The match is stopped. The match is restarted by dropping the replacement at the place where the original ball become defective. Compulsory equipment of the player. The compulsory equipment of a player, like a shirt with sleeves, shorts, socks and stud. Abandoned match. An abandoned match is replayed unless the competition rules provided otherwise before kickoff. If the match is postponed or cancelled, Any bet stuck prior to the scheduled starts of his match will be deemed void. Dear student, the further terminologies we can see in my next video. Thank you very much.